So Karen, we know we can call you when we need you, but what can we do beforehand to try and fix things first? Can you give us your top quick fixes around the home that can save us money by trying to fix it ourselves?
But keep your drains clear. If you think you may have an area that's getting stopped up a little bit or having some issues, you can put equal parts of vinegar and baking soda down your drain, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then run some hot water behind it. For any normal kind of stoppages, that'll keep it cleared out. If it's more than that, then we can come help you.